welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe. If you're not, you know the deal. Thumbs up this video and make sure you guys are liking that pinned comment. Today's just a little vlog. I actually wasn't gonna film because this week I head home for Thanksgiving break. Wow, my hair is so busy. I am so sorry. Let me fix myself. Okay, we're back. That kind of helped, not really, but we can hope. So I'm talking a little bit quieter because it's the middle of the day. It's not even 12 o'clock yet, so my roommates are doing homework, doing, you know, the typical things that you do when you're in college. I actually am just gonna be vlogging cleaning because are you kidding me? I have so much laundry to not only pack but put away and like kind of sort through. I'm also just cleaning up my room. If you guys paid attention to the intro, I showered because I went to the gym this morning. Very important part of my Monday productiveness. I just didn't film it because it just looked so gloomy out. It was so foggy. So not only did that like not look very cute, but I also didn't want to like crash my vehicle trying to film me driving and me walking out and into the gym and whatever. So I didn't film that, unfortunately, but I did that. And then when I got home, I ate some carrots and hummus, and I've been up since like 7:45-ish. My best friend stayed the weekend with me and she went home today. So I'm going to put my laundry away, watch some America's Next Top Model reruns because that's just been the move lately, and then you guys are just gonna watch me do that, and I'm gonna play some fun music and it's gonna be a great time. So also, I want to show you guys my little comf hoodie I have on first before I start cleaning, just in case anyone has questions. If you can see the back, it is like a really cool Playboy graphic, big oversized hoodie, and I got it from Missguided. I think when I bought it, it was like $27, but it looks expensive if it's not on sale. So definitely just get it on sale. Missguided's always doing sales. They're completely overpriced anyways, but yeah, so super comfy. Love to see it, and now I'm gonna go clean.
A few moments later.
Yeah, I'm in the car. It's 2:59. I literally have been watching Netflix all day. I know I was supposed to be super productive. Okay, it's only been a couple hours, but I pretty much have all of my assignments for this semester done. Also, I'm trying to beat the lighting here. Don't think that's gonna do anything. I pretty much have all of my assignments done for the semester. It's just a matter of editing projects, editing essays that are like 10 pages long, and getting that type of stuff done. So I'm going to do that later, but right now I'm gonna go to Starbucks because I have a problem.
Hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Okay, well, Starbucks is closed, so that really sucks. So I'm gonna go to the one that's in the gas station that I normally go to, and then you guys are gonna go to Walmart with me because I have a couple things that I've been looking at for Christmas presents for my roomies, and you guys can actually wait. I can't show it because then they're gonna see what I'm getting them, because this is definitely going up before Christmas and it's definitely going up during Thanksgiving break, so I don't want them to see it. So I'm gonna go get coffee. Okay, Walmart. As I'm driving, I figured I'd talk to you guys about, I don't know if this is noticeable to anyone. It's noticeable to me, but I no longer have eyelash extensions on, and that's because I'm just kind of like wanting to be a little bit more natural, and not like I'm not trying to be bougie still. I'm still gonna have my fake nails and whatnot. Bro, what is going on? I just really don't want to have to worry about eyelashes all the time. Like, I am getting sick of it. I hate the way it makes my eyes look. bloodshot and just irritated. And so I'm trying some eyelash serums, and I'm doing some good natural ones. I know Grande Lash and like Babe Lash and some of those are like really popular, but I don't think I want to use those. I think I'm trying to look at some ingredients that are in Revitalash and like Whoa or Woo Lash or something a little bit more natural, something that's not going to make my eyelids literally feel like I have extensions on regardless, because that's the feeling I want to steer away from. So that's a journey. So whenever I get whatever serum I choose in the mail, I'm probably going to do Revitalash. I definitely want to document that for you guys. And yeah, I'm not going to sit here and blab the whole car ride, but I definitely wanted to tell you guys that, so that's something we can look forward to. Damn it. Oh my god, that's like not okay. If you guys have made it this far, I just want to say thank you. And it's starting to get a little bit later in the day, so I think I'm going to just prepare for class, because I have a night class at 5:30, and then I'm going to do a couple more things on my laptop. So once I'm done with that, you guys are just gonna see how I end my day, and if this is the last time I'm talking to you guys. Mwah, and thank you for watching.
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you. I didn't want to believe my feelings for you. I didn't want to believe that I could lose you if I told you just how I felt. But I can't help